Speaking of bizarre, we're going to get right to it. Here's the flashing light update for today. The map right now is at 426. I've received over 1,000 different videos from various locations all around the world. Right now, the 426 represents different locations in the United States. We're going to start off in West Virginia. This first segment has narration by Big E. He noticed purple lights, light bulbs putting out a violet light, which is what I was talking about at the beginning of the video. Some of the lights that you're going to see are putting off normal white light, but for some reason he ran across something he had never seen before.
Let the midnight special. Yeah, buddy. Getting kind of weird out here. Getting kind of weird.
Okay, you obviously saw the purple lights, and I know most of you are going to say, oh, they just changed the light bulbs. Probably not, because I'm going to share another video with you guys. In fact, we're going to do it right now out of St. Paul, Minnesota. A gentleman up there by the name of Joe witnessed the same thing, and both of these occurrences have happened in the last 48 hours, consistent with the activity in the Schumann resonance. The Schumann has been very stirred up. So I want to take you guys now up to Minnesota. This video footage was sent in by Joe from St. Paul, 4/16 of 2025. The video that we just saw was 4/16 of 2025. Check this out. You're going to see flashing lights and purple flashing lights.
Greetings, my brother, MrMBB333. I didn't think I would see one, but here we are. Across the parking lot, we got a flashing light over there. You can kind of see it. But what I was really intrigued by all this. So this has been flashing. These are flashing. Then we got a bunch of parking lights all flashing. I'm located in West St. Paul, Minnesota right now. Just got some groceries and walked to the store and saw the flashy lights, so I thought I'd share. So here we are. Like I said, I didn't know if I'd see them or not, but...
Great video, Joe. Thanks for sharing out of St. Paul, Minnesota. Notice the parking lot back here. The entire parking lot glowing violet, with the exception of one light right there that looks normal, right? So it's not all of the lights. It's rogue and random, kind of like the energy we're seeing go through the Schumann right now. It, too, has been rogue and random, but for the most part, very consistent. It's been very stirred up the last 48 hours. And now, all of a sudden, these are the first two videos that I've received of purple lights. It's as if something is influencing the frequencies of the Earth. And again, violet being the highest frequency in the 680 to 740 hertz range, and violet, the color purple, represents the highest vibrational frequency. So it makes you wonder what is going on. As Big E said out of West Virginia, things are getting really weird out here, and they certainly are. Flashing lights all over the world. Now they're turning purple. Going to video number 2, Westmoreland, Tennessee. Jonathan Rogers, 4/12 of 2025. This is the second car wash that we've seen in the last 2 days. Gentleman pulls up to the parking lot. Not only are the lights flashing, but the lights on the vacuums were flashing. What? Maybe they're supposed to. I don't know their personality, but the lights are not supposed to be flashing. They're supposed to be just on. Like that one back there. That one's on. But the vast majority of the lights inside the car wash stalls are blinking. Not something that he's used to seeing. And once again, that video was out of Tennessee. I received several videos out of Tennessee. And going from Tennessee to Colorado, Pueblo, Colorado. Video sent in by Joshua from April of 2025. Not exactly sure of the specific date, but I know recently. And he noticed several lights in a large parking lot, all malfunctioning. Again, this phenomena is rogue and random. These weren't purple, they were still white, but this is happening all around the world. There was, at least 8 lights in that parking lot, flickering for unknown reasons. Next video is out of Port Charlotte, Florida, sent in by Flynn. Multiple lights in a very large parking lot, malfunctioning all over the place. But again, not all of the lights were malfunctioning. a large majority of them malfunctioning, none purple in this video. I've received 2 videos of purple lights in the last 2 days. So this is something new with regard to the purple haze that's coming off these lights. Video number 5 going to Rutland, Vermont. Video sent in by Dan. Notice the sign over here on the right, flickering. Not supposed to be. Notice the lights over here on the left in this parking lot. 2 different locations. Same situation, flickering, malfunctioning lights in the parking lot and on the building itself. I think this is the second video I've received out of Vermont of flashing lights. So Vermont is definitely on the map. And going from Vermont down to Georgia, Fayetteville, Georgia, this video footage here was sent in by Elizabeth L. This is at her friend's house in their foyer. The light on the ceiling was flickering the other night. As she was getting ready to leave, she happened to notice that. And the next video has narration by Donna. Here we go.
The lights.
Why are they doing that?
I have no idea.
Those were solar lights. They're not even on the grid. And I've seen our solar lights around here flashing one time. This next video was sent in by Angie out of Linden, Illinois, April 9th of 2025. Notice her computer monitor malfunctioning. First time that had ever happened. Isn't that wild? Unbelievable. And going from Illinois to Missouri, this next video was sent in by Darren. It has narration. Here we go.
MrMBB333, Deloge, Missouri. Flashing light phenomenon right here, back to this building. And then I noticed over here, the nail salon sign is going on the fritz. There you go.
And he was right. 2 examples of flashing lights on both sides of the road. Next video's out of Texas. It also has narration. Here we go.
More flashing lights in Saginaw, Texas.
Video footage sent in by Ginger from April 12th. So as you guys can clearly see, the flashing light phenomena is definitely not slowing down. If anything, it's increasing and getting more bizarre.